National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, Central Lake County in northwestern Indiana until 4:45 p.m. At 4:06 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Crete to near Beecher, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Schererville, Cedar Lake, Steger, Dyer, St. John, Sauk Village, Wynwood, and Crete around 4:10 p.m. Merrillville, Crown Point, and Griffith around 4:15 p.m. Hobart around 4:20 p.m. Winfield around 4:25 p.m. Lakes at the Four Seasons around 4:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include South Chicago Heights. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a special marine warning.